Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you a new tool called LangChain Coder. So it's a tool which generates the code using LangChain, and it uses the different LLMs from OpenAI, ChatGPT and GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 and various LLMs that are supported by OpenAI, and as well Vertex AI. So it can generate the code for you, and it can fix the bugs for you, and your code snippet, you can modify the code snippets in your favorite coding editor all in one place. So it's an all-in-one tool for you. So the various feature is save and execute coding guidelines and advanced coding editor in the website. So as I already mentioned, it supports OpenAI and Vertex AI. So what you need is to start is OpenAI key or Vertex AI from Google. You need their keys, and I will demonstrate the OpenAI keys here. So what you need to go is to this website platform.openai/account/API keys and hit create new key, and you can just use that key here. So go to this website langchaincoder.streamlit.app. I have already loaded it. So as you can see, this is the platform, very basic. Here are the settings, and here you give the prompt, and here are the options you can execute or generate or download the code. So first you need to select which AI you want to use, OpenAI or Vertex AI, and you need to select the language for your programming, which is Python. You can select more language. So next you need to select the compiler, the offline and online. So here are some of the general settings we'll talk about later. So let's go to OpenAI setting first and paste your OpenAI API key here and hit enter. So it has already been successfully initialized. So let's give it a simple prompt. So it has various features like the code you want to generate, enter your prompt here. So you only need to mention what you want to generate, sum of all the numbers from 1 to 100 in Python language. So if we'll go to coding guidelines, so there are various options to choose. So let's leave it as it is right now, and let's hit the generate code. So let's wait. So you can see the code has been generated, the solution is there, and this is the online already available code editor for you to customize the code which was generated by your OpenAI or Vertex AI, which one you have chosen. So next you can see this is a very basic code. I don't want some basic code, I want a modular code. Let's hit, so you can give the coding guidelines. I want modular code, I want error handling, exception handling, which is basic for most of the code. I don't want logs, but I want comments. I want efficient code as well. So when I have selected, you can hit the generate code as well. So you have to generate new code. Let's hit the generate code and let's see what we'll get using this coding guidelines. So as you can see, the code is now more modular, more robust, and it has already added comments as well and exception handling as well. So let's hit save here, and you can also execute the code here on the go. So let's hit execute. Yeah, so here's the output here. So this is the offline version which we have already selected. So as you can see, you can just hit the you want to edit it, like let's see, I want to customize my code now. Let's see, from 1 to 200, right? So let's hit save and execute again. So you can see I can edit my code which was generated by the OpenAI. So I don't need to generate again. I will just edit it, and I can, if I've made my changes, I can just save it. So let's see, this is some numbers .py. So I can just hit download. So I have already downloaded the code and it's already available on my machine. So this was one feature of using the coding editor. So the coding editor is pretty impressive here, and it's very advanced editor, you can see. So if you want to customize your coding editor as per your needs, you can already do that. You will go to code editor settings and you can select the theme. If you want different themes, like you can select the dark theme here, and different themes you can choose from here. And there are also these key bindings. uh, let's hit the key bindings for the Vim, so you can see. Let's go to line number 2 and hit insert, or you can see the key bindings for Vim Emacs are working. Different types of, I will choose the VS Code, and also you can choose various settings like line number, print margin, and different settings you can. This is very customizable and very advanced editor, so you can use it as per your needs. So the next thing we'll check is online compiler. So there's also a version of online compiler as well. Let's give it a new command for prime numbers from 1 to 30, and we will select the language as C++, and we'll choose the compiler as online, and we will first hit the generate code. So we give a new instruction to OpenAI to generate the code for prime numbers from 1 to 30. Let's see. Now let's execute the code. Let's see. Yeah. So the prime numbers has been generated. I think it's missing something. iStream. Now let's hit execute. So it has already generated, and we can run the code using JDoodle compiler. So I'm using JDoodle compiler from the backend to run any online code. It supports 70 plus programming language, which is pretty impressive. So this is also their coding editor, and we can also edit it. I want to generate prime numbers from 50 till 50. Let's see. Let's hit enter and see. So following numbers are the prime numbers up to 50. So this is also a coding editor online. You can generate, and it has also different features like interactive command line arguments. So that was it, guys. I showcased the online and offline compilers, and I showcased the OpenAI. And if you want to do more videos on this using Vertex AI, please let me know. And if you have any features and suggestions, please let me know. And thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.